Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system, and it's very easy. You have to simply follow my screen and don't miss any steps. Let's fix this issue together. First of all, in the first step we have to go to the search bar and type here settings and click here to open it. Then just click on these three lines and go to the privacy and security. Now you have to scroll down and go to the microphone, click on it and make sure you have to enable this microphone access. So if you see it's disabled, then enable it again. Enable this one also, let apps access your microphone, enable this one and enable all these options from this section. Also you have to enable the option to the Discord also, and then lastly enable option for the let desktop apps access your microphone. If you see this disabled, then you have to enable it. Then close this window, then go to search bar, again open settings. Now just scroll down from the system tab and select troubleshoot. Go to the other troubleshooters, and from audio you have to click on done and it will fix the issue. So that's it guys. Check out the pin comment, that will help you a lot to fix this issue, and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.